My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be I placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. Sai Kiran, are you there?
Yeah, I am there, Chandana.
Yeah, you can take it up, okay?
So, shall I start the session?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Can someone, how many of you were present for my averages class last time? How many of you were present? So, can Rani Sharma, Vamsi Krishna, Niharika, Bhavika, everybody is saying they are there. So, I'll randomly, from today, what I'll do now, I'll randomly ask someone to explain what the concept I have explained. Okay. So, now, uh, uh, can Vamsi Krishna, Chimata Vamsi Krishna, can you explain? Can you explain the basics and whatever topics we have seen in last class? Vamsi Krishna, you are there? Shimata Vamsi Krishna?
Sir,
Yeah, you explain whatever concepts I have told already. I mean, regarding averages, what is meant by average? What are the things we have learned? Can you explain? See, don't be afraid or else don't take it in a different way. You try to explain whatever you know, whether it is correct or wrong, or else whether it is discussed earlier or not, that we'll see later. You try to explain what you have learned from last class.
sir, averages are equally distribution of quantity of among the n people. Definition, sir.
You don't wait for my approval of your answer. Whatever you know, you try to explain.
Arithmetic progression is told, sir. Arithmetic progression means equal distribution of the numbers. దాంట్లో ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ సెకండ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ టూ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇస్ దేర్ సార్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రాపర్టీ
See, whatever language you are comfort, you can explain. No problem.
అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ టూ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఆడ్ సార్
Hmm.
ఆడ్ తీసుకుంటే n+1/2 టర్మ్ మిడ్ టర్మ్ అయింది సార్ అదే ప్రాపర్టీ 2 అయితే ఈవెన్ టర్మ్ 2 టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి సార్
Hmm. Okay.
మిడ్ టర్మ్ ఒక చెప్పారు సార్
Hmm.
అంతే అయ్యే చెప్పారు సార్
Okay. CH Pratyusha, can you explain? CH Pratyusha, can you tell? Pratyusha, can you explain what we have discussed? Pratyusha, you are there? Satvik, you asked me to recap, no? So I'm asking all others to do the same. So can someone, Pratyusha, CH Pratyusha, you mute yourself and explain. Prachi Pandey, I know you were there. You were asking some doubts also. It was good that you are daily attending the classes. Prachi Pandey, can you explain what we discussed in the last class?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, you have explained that average. Average means you have explained the equally distribution of a quantity among n numbers of people. And another definition you explained is average is what one person gets in a group. Like in a group, there are a number of people, and each and everyone what they get that is called as average. And arithmetic progression, you have explained some numbers also like natural numbers, even numbers. And further, you explained about properties.
Okay.
Properties,
What are those
yeah.
properties?
Properties is about like you have explained if the terms are in AP like arithmetic progressions, then in that number of terms are odd, then average will be middle term. Like formula explained about n plus 1 by a term you have explained.
You can take it as middle term.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that will be.
And second, you have explained so many properties. Second one, I actually not remember, but third one I know.
So second one states that if the terms are in AP and number of terms are even, then
Yeah, then it will be middle of middle terms. Yes, sir.
yeah, middle of middle two terms.
And third property is about new series, old series. You explained key same difference, something like that.
So if a term, there is a series of 100 terms, you think, if the terms, all the terms average is some 20, and if you are forming a new series, which is just addition of the old series,
Yes, sir.
then the average will be whatever number you are adding, the same number it will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one.
Okay. Next, after that, midterm method. Midterm method, what did we do?
The midterm,
So
the method I have not
increase
understood
or
on that.
total increase or total decrease concept. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have
Total.
not understood this concept. I said you that too.
Okay. Now, anyway, I'll repeat that one question again, and then
Yes.
we'll go. You are able to see the screen, no?
Yes, sir.
So initially, I told that what is an average? Average is nothing but whatever one person gets in a group. That is nothing but average. Next, arithmetic progression. So what is the main feature of arithmetic progression? If two consecutive difference between any two consecutive terms will always remain same. Next, after that, property one. If the terms are in AP and number of terms are odd, then average will be middle two terms. Sorry, average will be middle term. So that middle term will be n plus 1 by 2 term. When we are supposed to use that case, we are supposed to use that if we have less number of terms. If we have more number of terms like this, like second one, then what did I tell you? In that case, you use this n plus 1 by 2th term. So after that, we solve some questions based on it. Then property 2. If the terms are in AP and number of terms are even, then average will be middle two terms. So on that, we have seen some questions. After that, we have seen some previous questions. Next, property 3. This is what property 3 states. Okay. Next, midterm method. In midterm method, here See, he'll always ask you to find out this, whichever term is included in both the parts, that he'll ask you to find out. Okay, here which is included in both the parts? Sixth term. The sixth term we are supposed to find out. Okay. So for that, one way is to generally go with the process, or else another way is that to go with number of terms, increased or decreased case. Okay, this anyway I'll explain now so that it will be easy for you to understand. So today I think we have some little lesser strength because of the festival, I think so. Okay.
Sir, you are not audible.
So he asked you to find out the middle term. So here n equal to 11. If you see the total number of terms, it is 11. But when you add individual groups, it is 12. Why it is one extra? Because midterm is included in both the parts. Okay. So now that midterm we have to, it may be middle term or may not be middle term. So if there are 5 terms, first 2 terms and last 4 terms he'll tell you to find out this part whichever is included in both the parts. That will be this. This part is called total increase or total decrease. Why it is called total increase or total decrease means, so sixth term equal to, earlier it is 50. Now from here to here, average is decreased by 1. If average is decreased by 1, for one fellow, average means what? Average is nothing but for one person, whatever we are giving, that is nothing but average of that group. Okay, average of that group. So now, see here, for one fellow, 1 rupee decreased. So in this group, how many people are there? So total effect will be -6. So now from this total average to this group average, it is +2. So it means for one person, it is +2. So for 6 people, it will be +12. So 50 minus 6 +12. So that sixth fellow's value will be how much? 56. That's it. Okay. This is midterm method. So till now, whatever we have done, is anybody having any doubt? Can everyone mute yourself?
1 minute, Sai Kiran, I will unmute all. Mute all, everybody. Sai Kiran, you can unmute yourself. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Is everybody okay till here? Can everyone confirm me whether you are okay or not? Yes, yes. Okay. Now coming to new entry method. So new entry method means, for example, I'll have initially 20 people. Some average is 60. One fellow X is coming in. So now, how many people I'll have? 21 people. Some average is something like 62 or 58 something. He'll ask you to find out this one. So for us, a new person will come and get added. That fellow we have to find out. That's it. Okay. Next, see this question. Let's see this question and try to solve in general way. After that, we'll go for the method how we are going to deal. See, is the screen visible for everyone? I think screen I have to share, I think.
It's visible, Saikiran.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now the average weight of 35 students in a class is 38 kgs. So N sum equal to what? Average into N. Initially, how many students are there? 35 students, it is 38 kgs. 35 students, it is 38 kgs. Now, someone is coming and getting added. Who is coming and getting added? Teacher is coming and getting added. So if teacher comes and gets in, so how many people will have? 36 people will have. So then average is 39 kgs. If teacher is also included, then average is 39 kgs. Now what is he asking you to find out? He is asking you to find out sum. Sum is how much? I mean, he is asking you to find out the weight of the teacher. Sum is how much? It is 35 into 38. This is 36 into 39. Okay. See here, how to calculate this also I'll tell you. Don't write anything. I'll tell you the shortcut again. See how to calculate this means 35 square is how much? 1225. So again, how much is left out? 3 into 35 is left out. 3 into 35 is 105. Sorry, 3 into 35 is 105. So how much is this? 1330. Am I correct? 1330. In the same way, this is 1330. In the same way, you try to get this also. So how much you will get? See, 36 square and then 36 into 3. So how much you will get? You have to comment, then only you will know the value of the shortcut. Sorry, 129. Huh? 1296, 1296 plus 36 into 3. Okay. So how much you are getting? So now I am audible, no? Okay. Anyway, I'll continue. See here, again I'll repeat this. See 35 people, when 35 people are there, average is 38. If I add weight of all the people, it is 30. If there are 36 people, the average is 39. If I add weight of all the people, it is 1404. See, from here to here, one person added. That is teacher. From here to here, weight increased is 74 kgs. So why there is an increase of 74 kgs? Because of addition of teacher. So from this, can I say that teacher equal to how many kgs? 74 cages. That's it. Okay. Pawan Kumar, see 35 square is 1225. So 3 into remaining, how much is that? This can be written as 35 into 35 plus 3 now. So this part. So I have written like this. That's it. This is one way of doing. So now I'll tell the shortcut for solving this. Listen to this very carefully. Okay. See. Listen to this very carefully. If you have any doubt, you ask me. So n and then average. N initially there are 35 people. Average is 38. Average is 38. Now X teacher came and joined. So there will be 36 people. Average is 39. That's all. No? This is what he has given. So now what I will do now, I should find out the teacher value. So C increase from change is +1. You multiply this +1 with earlier number of people. So that change you multiply with earlier number of people. So if you multiply and add that value here, +1, that into earlier number of people, that is 35. So this is +35. Okay. Now teacher value will be whatever you are getting here, 39 plus 35, that is 74 kgs. That's it. Sir, why we should do like this? See, from here to here increase is 1. For one fellow, 1 rupee increased means for 35 people, how much it will increase, sir? That is this total increase or total decrease. Again, I am repeating, see, initially there are 35 people, average is 38. So teacher came in, so 36 people, average is 39. So from here to here, increase is +1. You multiply with 35 and then add that here. So +1 into 35. So +35. So it is 74. Whatever value you get here, that will be the person who is coming in. That's it. Okay. So now before we go for the next question, initially you answer me here, I'll just write. Okay. Simple thing I'll write. You tell me the value. So there are n people and average is A. So for 10 people, average is 40. X came and joined. So we'll have 11 people. Average is 42. So this X value we should find out. Everyone comment it. So 62. Very good. So now from here to here, how much increase? +2. So multiply it with earlier 10 and then add here. +2 into 10. That is +20. So it will be X will be 62. That's it. Okay. So for this question, you write down both the methods. First, you note down this method. Next. So this is also you note down, this method also you note down. This is the method in which I am going to continue. Okay. Completed? Everyone? This method is okay for everyone, no? See, am I audible? Chandana, can you confirm me whether I am audible or not?
Yeah, you're audible now.
Yeah, okay, fine. So
Yeah.
can everyone confirm whether this method is okay or not? So the same method I'll be using. So for example, because I had some break here, I'll give you one more example so that you can solve. Okay. 1 second. See, here n and average if you take up, suppose I have some 20 people, average is 60. X came and joined. We should find out this fellow. Then we'll have 21 people. Average is only 59. So find out the X value. So everyone comment the value of X. Be first. Comment the value of X. So how much is the answer for us? So 39, 39, 79, 39. Yeah, very good. It is not 79, it will be 39 because here there is change is decreased. So minus 1. So multiply it with earlier 20. So minus 1 into 20. So minus 20. So X will be equal to 39. Okay. So next. Okay. So now I'll give you some questions. You people have to solve and tell me the answers. Be fast. Okay. So this method only will be following from now. So this method is applicable when someone comes and joins. Someone comes and joins like this. If a person comes and joins, then we'll be going for new entry method. So now solve this and tell me the answer. Be fast. So I think my video covering some part of the question? Hmm? Aishwarya, thank you. Pleasure is mine. Sumitra has an average of 56% on her first 7 subjects. So she is having average of 56% on her first 7 subjects. So if you take, sorry, pen. The first 7 subjects, she is having an average of 56%. Next, newly coming is 8th subject. In this, how much if she scores? Totally for 8 subjects, she'll have 60%. This is the question. Everybody understood the question, no? So now from here to here, how much it is increased? So from here to here, it is increase of 4. So multiply it with 7 and then add here. So plus 4 into 7. So plus 28. So 8th subject, how much? 88% if she scores, then only she'll have totally 60% in 8 subjects. Okay. Good. Bhavika, Rani Sharma. See, the only help that you people can do me is attend the classes daily and then try make your friends also attend regularly. If at all, if you find the classes useful. Next. Solve this question. So you solve this and tell me the answer. Be fast. $78. Good. So see, here generally what people mistake they do now. In 7 subjects, his score is 75. The average marks of 6 subjects is 74.5. See, in the problem itself, order is given like this, no? So they'll take like this, 75, 74.5, like this, they will put away. So you should not do like this. In which one he is asking you to find out the marks? 7th one, no. So 7th should always be here, coming in. So 7th subject we have to find out. So number of subjects initially is 6, average is 74.5. Newly coming is 7th one, average is 75. So now from here to here, it is plus 0.5. So multiply it with 6. So here plus 0.5 into 6 is how much? Plus 3. So total 7th subject, how much should we score? 78. That's it. Okay. Next, I want you people to solve some questions. So can you solve this question? I'll do one thing. I'll ask the person. Deepthi K. Deepthi K, can you solve this and tell me the answer? Deepthi K, can you solve this and tell me the answer? Be fast. Deepthi K. Deepthi, can you tell the answer? Kunjan Shah, can you also tell me the answer? $4,000, $48,000, 2004. See who am I'll randomly call and ask them to solve the questions, tell the answers like that. You people have to be ready with the answers. Okay. Meanwhile, when I am discussing the concept, you listen to the concept. If you have, so what is that? If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me immediately. See what is he saying here? So number of people are 20. Average is 1900 per month. If manager is coming and joining, there will be 21 people. Average is 2000 per month. So now from here to here, how much it increased? 100. We will multiply with earlier 200, earlier 20. So that will become 2000. So totally manager salary is how much? Manager salary will be 4000 per month. He is asking annual salary of manager. So that equal to 4000 into 12. So it will become 48,000 per annum. Okay, 48,000 per annum. Okay. Next. So can someone, this is very important question. It comes frequently in different, recently also I saw it in TCS Ninja. Okay. So very important question. Can someone solve this and tell me the answers? Harika, Harika. Harika, can you solve this and tell me the answer? Shri Muhammad. Rani Sharma, 45. Harshit, 64. See. Okay. We'll try. Pawan Kumar, Sri, Vaibhav. Harika, Harika. So I'll randomly ask the people to solve and tell the answers. I want those people to immediately respond. Aman Kumar, can you tell me the answer? Pawar Ankanksha, Anant Kumar, Aman Kumar. Can you explain? Can you unmute and explain?
There are four people. So, which average was 45. After 5 years, it including X, all averages goes up to 49. So the difference is 4. And
Okay, very good, very good. So now I'll be telling you, see, average of 4 A, B, C, D 5 years ago. This 5 years ago is important here. So 5 years ago, average is how much? 45. We have already seen some questions in ratio and proportion. Similarly, so now present. At present, what is the average? See, 5 years ago, if it is 45, present, how much it will be? So from here to here, 5 will get added. So present average will be 50 years. Sir, why you are taking for present? See here, by including X, the present average age is, so here he is talking about present. Here he is talking about 5 years ago. Present average age of all the 5 is 49 years. So find the present age of X, he is telling. So when you want to find out present age of someone, in both the places we should be having present averages. So initially who are there? A, B, C, D. So how many people? 4 people. So X is coming and getting added here at present. This fellow's value I should find out. So there will be 5 people. So average age of A, B, C, D 5 years ago is 45. So present is 50. Here it is 49. Okay. So to find out the X present value, we should always, here in both the places of averages, we should be having present values only. Then only we can find out. If he asks you what is the average age of X 5 years ago, then what we will do? In both the places 5 years ago, I will take. So then it will be 45 and 44. Okay. So now here it is -1. So multiply it with 4. So -1 into 4. So -4. So X present value will be how much? 45 years. That's it. Okay. Next one. So this one you take screenshot, you solve this. After the class is completed, in YouTube you will be having that video, no? In that you comment the answers. Those who are there in the YouTube, you comment the answers. Okay, take screenshot of this. In the next class, I'll be telling answers for this. Next one. So you solve this question and tell me the answer. Solve this question and tell me the answer. Be fast. The average height of a group of 8 boys is 159 centimeters. If one of them is excluded from the group, the average height of the group increases by 2 centimeters. So till now we were solving questions based on included. Now there is a case of excluded. How you will solve this?
145 centimeters.
Yeah, very good. So now what is this? See, we have initially is telling that there are 8 boys, average is 159. If there are 7 boys, say one fellow is excluded, no, 7 boys, then average is 151 centimeters, 161 centimeters. See, we have a method for including. So here we'll try to convert this into including case. So including case, if you convert n and then average. So initially there are 7, you think. So x is coming and getting added. So we'll have 8 people. Here it is 161. Now this is 159. Okay. Excluded case we are converting into included. So multiply it with earlier 2. So minus 2 into 7. So minus 14. So x is how much? 145 centimeters. That's it. Okay, 145. Next one. Replacement method, you put heading. Here I'll write a point. This also you copy. This is not formula, again our own method. Okay, thank you. See, note down this, man included. What is difference between included and replacement? What is included and what is replacement? See, for included case, if I have 20 people, one fellow will come and join, then I'll have 21 people. For replacement, suppose if I have 20 people, average is something, one fellow will go out and one fellow will come in. Then again I'll have 20 people only. Okay. So in included, one fellow will get increased. In replacement case, the number of people will always remain same. That's it. Okay. So man included. Note down this. This is not formula. This is our own method. So what do we call this? Can someone tell me? Unmute and tell me. What do we call this? What do we call this? So we'll call it as total increase or total decrease. Okay. You note down this. We'll start doing problems. Next, see this question. So before we come to this, I'll give you one question so that it will be easy for you. 1 minute. See, the average of 20 students is 40 kgs. The average of 20 students is increased by 2 kgs when one student weighing 60 kgs is replaced by a new student. Is replaced by a new student. Replaced by a new student. Find weight of new student. So we have to find out weight of new student. Find weight of new student. This is a question you think. See, first I'll tell you the general way. See, initially there are 20 people. Average is 60. Sir, average is something we doesn't know. So I'll take it as small a. So what is he saying? Average of 20 people, it is increased by 2 kgs when a student weighing 60 kgs is replaced by a new student. So what is he saying? Initially there are 20 people, we don't know the average. One fellow 60 kgs is going out. In place of him, we are getting a new student X. Then again I'll have how many people? 20 people. Average is nothing but it is, earlier I took it as A, no, now it is A plus 2. So till here, is everyone okay with the data, whatever I told?
Sir, can you please repeat it?
See, what did he tell? The average of 20 students is something we doesn't know what it is. So I took it as A. When a person from the group whose weight is 60 kgs is going out, and in place of him, we are getting a new person, X. Then average what happened? It increased by 2 kgs. Earlier I took it as A, no? Now it became A plus 2. So we have to find out that new person's weight. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So now what can I say? Average A1 is nothing but sum S1 by N1. So new average is A plus 2. What is the sum? Earlier sum is nothing but 20 people are there. For them average is A. So from this can I say that sum is 20A? So now S1 will be, earlier it is 20A. From this one fellow is going no. So if I add all you people, it is 20A. From you, one fellow whose weight is 60 kgs is going out. And one fellow whose weight is X kgs is coming in. So is this the new sum? Do you accept or not? Confirm me. Is this the new sum? By now number of people are how many again? We have 20 people only, no? So 20. You just put this here. So 20A plus just try to solve. 40 is equal to 20A minus 60 plus X. So 20A will get cancelled. So X equal to 40 plus 60. So it is X equal to 100. Okay, this is one way of doing. Or what I am going to do now? See. What did I tell? Man included equal to man replaced plus N1 into A1 minus A. What is this N1 into A1 minus A? This is nothing but total increase or decrease concept. So now here, see initially how many people are there? 20 people. Average I doesn't know, so I took it as A. One fellow whose weight is 60 is leaving, and another fellow whose weight is X is coming in. Now N1 is equal to 20. Average one is A plus 2. So we know that man included equal to man replaced plus total increase or total decrease. This is not formula, just listen to what I say clearly. Okay. So initially who is coming out and who is coming in? You tell me. Who is the person included here? X is included. Who is the person replaced here? 60 is replaced. So now this is A. This is A plus 2. Average increased by how much? 2. Average increased by 2 means for one fellow there is increase of 2. So we have how many people? 20 people. So is this X equal to 60 plus 40? Is this the last step here? This is what we got. So that one I have written as formula, but this is not formula. This is a concept of total increase and total decrease. See, man included is X. Man replaced is 60. So from this group to this group, average increased by 2. So for 20 people, it will be 2 into 20. So 60 plus 40. That's it. Okay. Are you all okay with this? Both the methods you note down. Next question, you have to solve with the second method. Hmm. Yeah, tell me. Do you have any doubt? Completed now, everyone. Next question you see. Solve this question and tell me the answer. Similar question. Sir, can you please, Madhuri, what doubt you have? Can you unmute and ask me? What is the doubt that you are having? Where in that question? Where you have doubt? Hmm? Where? Where is the what is the point? I mean, in at which point you have doubt? You ask me. I'll explain again. Okay. Now see. Even if you don't understand after this, you comment. Okay. The average weight of 20 students in a class is increased by 0.75 kgs when one of the students weighing 30 kgs is replaced by a new student. So initially 20 students are there. Average we doesn't know. We'll take it as A. One fellow is going out, that is 30 kgs. And one fellow is coming in, we'll take him as X. Then again we'll have 20. Average is increased by how much? 0.75. Now we should find out this fellow. So we know that man included equal to man replaced plus N1 into A1 minus A. So who is the person included? Person included is X. Person replaced is 30. Now from here to here it is increase of 0.75. For one fellow 0.75 means 20 people it will be 20 into 0.75. So X is equal to how much? 30 plus 15. So it is going to be 45. That's it. Simple. Next you solve this. This is very important. I found in many examinations. Solve this and tell me the answer. Be fast. Solve this and tell me the answers. Be fast. Om Shavant, can you tell me the answer? Om Shavant. How much?
30.
30. Very good. Everyone solve and comment your answers. Be fast. Mohammed and Aishwarya alone commented. Om Shavant told the answer. What about the others? So number of people are 8 initially. Average we doesn't know. We'll take it as 8. So now 2 people are going out. So one fellow is 21 and another fellow is 23. And 2 people are coming in. X and Y are coming in. So again, how many people I'll have? 8 people only I'll have. Average is A plus 2. Okay. So now, what do we know? We know that man included equal to man replaced plus N1 into A1 minus A. Am I correct? So who are the persons included? So the persons included are X and Y. So take sum of these two. How many people are included? That much sum you take. That's it. So replaced also 21 plus 23. So now from here to here 2. So how many people are there? 8. So X plus Y equal to 60. But what is he asking? He is asking you to find the average. So average of X and Y. Average of X and Y is nothing but X plus Y by 2. That's all now. Sum by number of people. So it is 60 by 2. So it will be 30. 30 is our answer. Okay. Next. So can you people solve this and tell me the answer? This is also very important. Can you solve this and tell me the answer? So the average age of 24 boys in a class is 16 years. If a teacher is included, average age of 24 boys in a class is 16 years, average is 16. If teacher is included and a boy is excluded, then again how many people I'll have? 24 people. Average is 17.
Or 41.
How much? 41, huh?
41.
Deepti K, can you answer this? Afia? Afia, can you answer the question?
Sir, is that option D, sir?
Option D. Who is it? Can I know your name?
Muhammad Shahul, sir.
Mahmood Shah. We'll check. Very good.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
we are getting average 24, sir, actually.
Your name? Akila?
Deepthi, sir.
Okay. So answer is data insufficient. See here, we know that man included equal to man replaced plus n1 into a1 minus a. Am I correct? This is what we know. This part is called total increase or total decrease. Who is the person included? T is included. Who is the person replaced? Person replaced is boy. And from here to here, there is one increase. So 24 people are there. So T equal to B plus 24. Single equation, two variables. Can I find out? I cannot find out. No. So it is data insufficient is the answer. Okay. So now this is very important question. I find it in many competitive examinations, including placements, GATE exam, CAT exam, many competitive examinations. I will give just 1 minute time period. Try to solve this question with the logic I have already given you.
Sir, is it 40, sir? Sir, is it 40, sir?
Sir.
Sir, option 40, which is option C, option D, 40, sir.
Forty, sir.
So now what is the answer?
40, sir. Option D.
40. Durga, Pandey, Sai Teja commented 40. Okay, we'll see. 40 is correct. Very good.
40.
First, actually, general procedure is that first 4 sum I'll take, next 4 sum I'll take the difference and then I'll use ratios concept. That is one way. I don't want to go with that way. You can find it in any book. So I'll try to use our method. So let 5 days be A, B, C, D and E. I'll assume like this. So first 4 days, it will be A, B, C, D. So n equal to 4, average equal to how much? 36. Next, second to fifth day. What it is? B, C, D, E. So it means that n1 equal to 4, average 1 equal to 38. See, if you observe these two, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, D, what you will get? You are coming to a conclusion that A is excluded and E is coming in. Can we come to this? So from this, can I say that this is included case or a replacement case? So replacement case. Who is included? E. Who is replaced? A. So now from here to here, increase of 2, so 4 members, E minus A equal to 8. So you should directly come to this step. Okay. And then we know that he has already given that ratio of A and E is 4:5. So difference between them is E minus A equal to 1 part, that is 8 degrees. So fifth day we should find out. Fifth day is nothing but E. That equal to how many parts? 5 parts. So it is 5 into 8. So how many degrees? 40 degrees. Just to show you, I have written in detail. But it is actually a process of only 2 steps. Okay. Next. Next one. So can you all take screenshot of this question? Can you all take screenshot of this question and answer me in your next session? Or else comment after the video, after the class is over. Can everyone mute yourself? Next. So you go for the case of wrong entry method. Wrong entry method. Okay, wrong entry method. See, directly I'll explain in the question. This is similar to our replacement method. The average marks of 14 students is calculated as 71. So there are 14 students, average is 71. Next, but it was later found that the marks of one student had been wrongly entered as 42 instead of 56 and another as 74 instead of 32. So wrong and then correct. See what happened now? If I add marks of all you people, suppose you are 14 people, you think. If I add marks of all you people, it is 14 into 71. This is nothing but sum. But what happened now? In this, there is a student whose marks was taken as 42, but this fellow got 56. Another student marks are taken as 74, but this fellow got as 32. Got it as 32. Okay. So now, is this sum correct? Because these marks are there. Actually, wrong marks are present in this. We have to find out correct average. So correct sum will be, correct average will be.
Sir,
Correct
option C, sir.
option C. Correct sum by number of people. What is the correct sum? Correct sum will be 14 into 71 minus wrong ones you subtract. 72 minus 74 plus correct ones you add. 56 plus 32. By 2 people are removed and 2 people are added. That's all, no? Number of people is 14. So if you solve all this, you'll get the answer. This is one way of doing. Instead of going for that, I'll tell you one more way. See, the same thing I'll tell you in a different way. Old average, just a separating line, minus wrong plus correct by n. Old average is 71. Just a separating line again, minus wrong ones. Wrong ones are how much? 42 minus 74 plus correct ones you add. 56 plus 32. By number of people are how many? 14. So this will become 71 minus 28 by 14. So this is like 14 ones and 14 twos. So now can I say that this is just a separating line? No, here it is minus 2. So 71 minus 2, 69. That's it. Okay. Sir, why you are taking like this? See, first what we'll do, our engineering brilliance. We are all engineering brilliance, no? We are very good at multiples. So first you will multiply away. So that to how we will multiply? We'll multiply like 14 into 71. So one table. Next into 7. So 7 fours 8. Here we'll put 2. Then 1, 2. We'll use our hands. Then you'll do away this. So don't go for all those. Okay. Don't use our engineering brain in arithmetic. Just try to use our concepts enough. So here, can you write this as like this? Plus this entire part by 14. Can you write? This and this will get cancelled and you are left with 71 plus this entire part by 14. That is what I wrote here. That is what I did here. Okay. Old average, just as if you get here plus 2, then we'll put 71 plus 2. Okay. Understood, everyone? So copy both methods. First you copy this also and then we'll go further. So next one. You copy this also. This method also you copy. Wrong entry method you will add in included, and in replacement you have to replace. Total increase or decrease. Pandey I couldn't get. Can you repeat your doubt, Pandey? Prachi Pandey, na? Yeah, Prachi, can you repeat your doubt? Can you unmute and ask me?
Sir, that was about average height, what you explained before replacement method.
What? Can you repeat again? I couldn't hear you.
So that was previous problems.
Now
When
it
you
is
were
okay with
about
it?
entry method.
You are okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. So now I'll be giving you some questions.
Wait, sir.
Oh, you want me to view time? Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sorry. So now that I'll repeat whatever I have told you now till now. So again, I'll give you 3 or 4 questions, company specific questions that you people have to solve and tell me the answers. See here. Initially, average. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but sum of the terms by number of terms. This is just a formula. When you come to meaning of it, it states that whatever quantity we give for one person in a group, provided equal distribution is done, then we'll call it as average. So after that, arithmetic progression. If the terms are in AP and number of terms are odd, then average will be, sorry, if the terms are in AP, then we can conclude that difference between any two consecutive terms will be same. Next. In AP, first property is that if the terms are in AP and number of terms are odd, then average will be middle term. Next, second term is if second property is if the terms are in AP and n is even, then average will be middle of middle two terms. Suppose if these two are middle, then this will be our average. Next, property 3 states that a series of terms are there, then average is something, some x you think. So if I add y, I'll get the new series. Then average will be x plus y. If it is into y, divided by y, like that. Next, midterm method. In that midterm included case, whichever is included in both the groups. Suppose if I have 5, so first 2 and last 4. So the second one he'll tell you to find out. That is nothing but S1 plus S2 minus S, or else A plus total increase and total decrease. That's all. No? After that, new entry method. What is the new entry method? If there are 20 people and some X person is coming in, then we'll have 21 people. So we have to find out this fellow. Replacement method. What is replacement method? Replacement method is that if there are 20 people, one fellow will come in and one fellow will go out. So one of these two we have to find out. If both are to be found out, then data insufficient will come. Then wrong entry method is similar to replacement method only. Okay. So this is what we have discussed. We have discussed all the concepts in averages. So now I'll do one thing. I'll give you some 3 questions so that you can solve them and tell the answers. Okay. So now solve this question and tell me the answer. Be fast. I'll give you 1 minute time period. Be fast. Use our logics to solve this question. The average weight of 80 people, average weight of ABC is, so n equal to 3, average is 84. So why? Because we have only 3 people, that is A, B, C. If D joins, so D is coming in and joining, then again I'll have 4 people. Average is how much? 80. So now this is 75. Vaibhav commented. What about others? Everyone has to comment. A, B, C, and D. So now see. So from this, can I find out D value n and average? N and average, if you take up, initially there are 3 people, average is 84. Now D is coming in and joining. Afia, Muhammad commented 75, Jahnabi 80. So D, this is 80. So from here to here, minus 4, multiply with 3. So this is minus 4 into 3. So minus 12. So D equal to how much? 68 kgs. So till here we have done. We are done. The average weight of the group is 80 kgs. So till here we are done. If E, who weighs 3 kgs more than D, so he is telling that E equal to D plus 3. So that is E is 71 kgs. E is 71 kgs. So he is replacing A. So E, who is 3 kgs more than D, replaces A, he told. So we know that we already have A, B, C, D, that is n equal to 4 and average is equal to 80. He is saying that E is replacing A. So A is going out and E is coming in. Then whom I'll have? B, C, D, E I'll have. Then n1 equal to 4. Now average 1 is equal to how much? 79. So what we should find out? E value I should find out. So we know that man included equal to man replaced plus n1 into a1 minus a. That is average 1 minus average. Total increase or total decrease. This is what I told you at the starting. E equal to a plus, this is minus 1 into 4. So that is 71 equal to a minus 4. So from this a equal to how much? 75. Just again to understand, to make you understand, I have written everything. But this is just a process of only 2 steps. Okay, what I am doing, this you can solve. First a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c plus d, from that d value, and then e value, then a plus b plus c plus, b plus c plus d plus e value. So in that you substitute b value and d value and e value, then you will get b plus c. That you subtract from first equation, then you will get a value. This is general way how you find in books. But if you use that the method which I told at the starting today is new entry method. Then after that I told you replacement method. This question is combination of those two. That's it. Understood? Easy to solve now? Tell me whether it is okay for you to solve or not. Is anybody having doubt with this question? Please confirm me whether you are all okay with it or not. Please confirm me.
Yes, sir, I'm okay with that, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. I want you people to solve that also. This is all right. So now try to solve this with the basics what we know. Okay, here you cannot use any methods. Just average concept if you know and some mathematics if you use, you can answer this question and tell me the answer. Just solve this and tell me the answer. Be fast. There are n boys in a group whose average weight is 20 kgs. If 5 boys, each of them weighing 12 kgs, join the group, or if 10 boys, each of them weighing 21 kgs, leave the group, the average weight of the resulting group would be same. So this is our key point here. See, at around 8:45, our people will take attendance. Don't worry about it. So I am very glad that today people didn't ask me about attendance. And I can come to a conclusion that these are the people who are attending regularly. So make others also attend, tell your friends about the course so that you can again discuss among yourself when you have large number. See, initially there are n boys, average is 20. So from this sum, can I say that it is 20n? So what is he saying? If 5 boys, each of them weighing 12 kgs, join the group. So 5 boys, each 12 kgs, join. Or 10 boys, each 21 kgs, leave. Leave. Then the resulting group average would be same, he told. See, if you consider this alone, A1 if you take, it will be initially 20n is the sum. For this, 5 people are joining, each person is 12 kgs. Is this a new sum? Do you accept? People in YouTube, you tell me, do you accept? By n plus 5. Is this the new average? If this doesn't happen and this happened, you think. If this doesn't happen and this happened. So then A2 will be, initial sum is 20n. From this 10 people are leaving, each person is 21 kgs by n minus 10. Either of this is happening. Then what happens? He is telling that A1 equal to A2. This is given. So in YouTube, Aditya and Aniruddha commented, yes, sir. What about others? Good. So now A1 equal to A2. This is meaning of that is this yellow highlighted one is when these people join or these people leave, then average remains same, it seems. So 20n plus 60 by n plus 5 is equal to 20n minus 210 by n minus 10. Okay. So one way is to solve, cross multiply and solve this and get the answer. I don't recommend solving equations anytime. What I'll do is I'll go with the options. See, in option A, if you put option A n equal to 10, if you put now, what happens? This side you'll get some value. RHS side, what happens? You'll get by 0. If it is by 0, what happens? It is infinity. No. So like that, whichever option gives you both sides, same value. Option C, n equal to how much? 15. That will be our answer. Okay. So now this is 15. If you put in n place, then this is 360 by 20 is equal to 90 by 5. So 18 equal to 18. So this will be our answer. That's it. Understood how to solve? If any question comes under those concepts what I told, that you can use. If not, use the basics of averages. Just use the basics of whatever concept it is. If a question can be solved in the methods what I give, most of the questions, if I tell a method, if a question comes under that, you can solve easily. Okay. If you are not able to find any methods, then go with the basics. Okay. Okay. So next, I want you people to solve this question and comment your answers. I'll tell this question in next class. Okay. Chandana, I am done with the topic. I hope, Chandana, you are there? See, meanwhile, before I conclude, I have already told you the basics and what are the concepts required. Can you please tell me, you people are okay with the concept or not? Not only
I
with this.
Kiran, I'm there actually.
Okay. After
Yeah.
I conclude, you can take the attendance or whatever. You can take over. Okay.
Yeah, okay then.
Just give me a minute so that. See, we are done with averages, ratios, variation, ratio proportion and variation. So can you people summarize how the classes are? Are you all okay with the classes of aptitude?
Sir, is
Are you
that
all okay?
class are over or what you're asking, sir?
No, this topic is over now. Are you all okay with the way we are dealing the classes and all?
Yes, sir. I'm okay with your classes, sir. No issues, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Even it's better. I learned some new shortcuts, sir.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Already I know some of the words, but more than half of the words were new, sir.
Okay.
In
Thank
our
you.
college, they conducted aptitude class. I attended that too, but in the here I found news other than that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So now that averages is over, next time you will be having exam on averages, assessment test you will be having. Okay. Okay. So Chandana, you can take over. We'll
Yes,
share
I
this
can.
PDF. We'll share this
Thank you.
PDF. They'll upload in the LMS also. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Do you have any queries? Please let me know in the chat box. So meanwhile, I will share the attendance link. Mark your attendance, okay?
Ma'am, I have a doubt regarding assessment, ma'am.
Okay. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, before day 4, we had assessment on ratios, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is that also we should attend assessment in that LMS link, ma'am?
No, like it's not possible. I will ask with my team if it is possible means I'll upload that assessment in the LMS, okay?
Okay, ma'am. But I think Amar sir showed in the website that we want to attend assessment on particular time, so I asked that, ma'am.
See, quiz is different, assessment is different. In our session, we are conducting quiz.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That assessment is different.
Okay,
That is your practice purpose.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Is
Okay.
that compulsory you want to attend, ma'am?
Which one? Quiz or assessment?
Assessment, ma'am.
Yeah, like for your practice purpose, it is useful actually.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I'm sending the attendance link. So please mark your attendance. Sushant Patel from YouTube. Ma'am, I missed my assessment one. It's okay, no issue. Like that is not an assessment. That's a quiz actually. It's okay. Next time we are conducting more quizzes like that. You can write that. If you miss also, no problem on that. Harini, are these classes recorded available, ma'am? If possible, please provide as recorded classes, ma'am. Yes, Harini, the recording classes are available in LMS, so you can get there, okay? And one more thing, who is having the problem with LMS, please drop an email to edl@exceller.com. So I'm mentioning the mail ID in the chat box. Please take from there. Asma, we are uploading in LMS those PPTs. So if you want means I will make a drive and I will send it. Tomorrow's class I will send, okay? Okay, any more questions? What? Ma'am, I'm not getting link of lecture. I didn't get your question, Ashish. Ma'am, in LMS assessment is not available. Drop an email to edl@exceller.com. Okay, my team will resolve your problem. Sure, Aishwarya. Tomorrow I will make the drive and I will upload all the PPTs from day 1 to day 6. Sorry, day 7. I will give to you. Okay. Kirti, assessment after submission. So you can see the explanation also in the LMS. Okay, there only you can see the answer and the explanation as well. Zaid Khan, if it is okay if I miss one attendance, yeah, it's okay, no problem. Okay, Kirti, drop an email to edl@exceller.com. Mansa, ma'am, I have joined from today. Can I continue now? Yes, you can. Past recordings you can watch and learn, and from today onwards, you just attend live classes and learn from here. Ashish, I think you have a LMS access. If you have that access means you can get that link from LMS only. So in WhatsApp, they won't share every day. And one more thing, daily we have a one Zoom link. You can join first day Zoom link every class, okay? Ma'am, yesterday there was no class, right? Also, how to know if there is no class? So in the LMS, you will get to know there is a class or not. And yesterday there was no class.
Did we had class today afternoon, ma'am?
No, today afternoon there is no class. So
But
like,
I checked like 5 o'clock. I checked like in LMS league, ma'am. It showed like it had class today afternoon, ma'am.
no. Like weekdays, we are having 6:30 to 9 o'clock. And weekends, we have 10:30 to 1. Shesha, it is mandatory to give Aadhaar number in Google certification Google form. Who told to give Aadhaar card number, ma'am? It's not necessary. Don't give. Abhi, thanks for interacting with student ma'am. You're most welcome. Aishwarya, do we have any timetable for duration, ma'am? Okay, this program is going like 3 to 4 months. Okay, and we are teaching aptitude, reasoning, soft skills, programming skills as well. Weekdays we have a 6:30 to 9 classes, and weekends we have a 10:30 to 1. Okay, this is our schedule. Padma, ma'am, Saturday we have a college class also, ma'am. Okay, I will take this point to our management and we'll discuss and we'll let you know. Divya, how to do we know our attendance percentage? You can't able to get from our side. You can able to count yourself like how many days you attended, right? You can count that. Aditya, what is the minimum percentage of attendance do we need certificate? 60% attendance is mandatory. If it is more than that also, it's better to you. Ravindra will inform, okay, about assessment. Icon star Nazir Basha. How to get LMS link, ma'am. Drop an email to edl@xlr.com. So my team will help on that. Ramesh Babu, I told now I will inform. Do you have the copy of topics, ma'am, to know what we should discuss in the next session? Yes, Harishta. Yes, yes. We have in the drive. I will upload and tomorrow I will share the drive with you. Yeah, guys. If you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. Okay. Go and have your dinner. Guys, any queries? Yeah, yeah. Bye. No need of Aadhaar card, ma'am. Then even ask religion, Aadhaar number, and so on for certificate registration. Is it? No, we don't ask any Aadhaar number. Ma'am, Friday's exam are started, ma'am, still 29th. So from Friday to 20 up to 29th. Okay, okay. So I'll take this point also from to management. We'll discuss on that. Okay. So all are done with their questions. So we'll wind up the day for today. Okay, we'll meet on tomorrow. Up to then, take care. Have your dinner. Have a good night. Bye bye. Murali Krishna, ma'am, I got mail from Akshaya, APSSDC. In that, they asked me fill the form for certification details in that Aadhaar number, guardian name. Murali Krishna, that that form you got from maybe your government, it seems, not for our XLR. Yeah, make sure that it is from XLR or your government.
Ma'am, in that mail was subject is XLR only.
Is it?
Yes.
Can you please share that screenshot in this, or else drop an email to edl@xlr.com. So my team will discuss on that and will let you know on tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. I
Okay?
initiate to mail.
Yeah, or else you can share in the chat box also. I will take a picture.
Okay, ma'am, I will share.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Ravindra from YouTube. When do we have a next assessment? I told already, I will inform. Okay? Tomorrow, definitely I will inform. Yes, yes, I will check. Okay? Okay, sis, I got that request now. I will check with my XLR and I will let you know tomorrow class. Okay? I will give clarity on that. Okay then. Bye bye.